How to view as on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to view your Facebook profile as someone else. Please watch till the end to properly understand this tutorial. And if this tutorial helps you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Tap on the menu, then tap on your profile. Next to your Edit Profile button, you will see 3 dots. Tap on them. Under Archive, you will see a View As option. Tap on it. Now, you will view your profile as public. If you want to edit your profile, tap here. If you want to exit the View as Public option, tap back 2 times or tap the Exit View option. So this is how to view as on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.